In our previous two videos, we learned how to hang and fold shirts and pants. Today, we're going to learn how to hang dresses and skirts. Let's take a look.
The first thing you want to do is get the dress or dresses that you need to hang up. Lay it down on a hard surface, like a bed or a table. Then grab your hanger. Notice the part that kind of looks like an arrow and is pointy on one side. Use that to point in through the head hole and through one sleeve. Then the other side of the hanger goes into the other sleeve. You might need to wrap the dress just around it. Now you can see it's securely on that hanger. Even if I wiggle it, it stays on. Let's do these steps again, but this dress is a little different. It's a wrap dress, so it almost looks like a robe right now. For that reason, it's easiest if you use a felt hanger like this or something with grip to hold it on the hanger. Repeat the steps by sticking it into one sleeve and then wrapping the dress around the other side of the hanger. Now you can see it also stays securely on the hanger because it's grippy. But you could still use the ties on the dress to tie it together to help keep it a little bit more secure if you'd like. This is optional. Voila! That dress is ready to hang up. Now if you have a skirt, it's a little bit different. Lay your skirt down. I like to use a hanger that has little clips like these. And then squeeze the clip and place the skirt on that open side of the clip. Then let go of the clip and it will grasp or hold on to the skirt. Now it's securely on the hanger and ready to hang. Once your dresses are all on the hanger, put the hook of the hanger on the rod. This way they dangle there beautifully and are ready for when you need them.
Now that you know how to hang your prettiest of dresses and skirts, please click the link up there so we can learn all about matching and pairing our socks.